let's get ready for this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Apologize for anything that I done.
What the heck? Yup, welcome to California.
Come on, bro. Hey, what up, guys?
We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach.
What's up?
What's up, YouTube? Guess where we're going today?
We're going to the beach.
To the beach. So we're going to Huntington Beach right now. If you want to come along, see what we do. We're going with It's so hot. It is 93 degrees. We're gonna go to Huntington Beach. Hopefully it's not too packed because it is a Saturday. A little bit of an update. We really haven't been posting or really like filming or anything like that. You know, life came at us pretty hard. We've been adulting, right babe?
Yeah.
I mean, for the most part.
56 hours of nursing in 1 week.
Anthony has decided to pursue his career in nursing, and I'm proud of him.
In the next life I'm trying to stay.
I know.
Million is a small number.
What it do, baby?
What I do? Just here looking for parking.
Oh, apparently it's the Vans opening of the surf tour, whatever you call it. I don't know. Pero like, it's pretty bad. This is our current situation.
Hello, guys. Luna. Here's Anthony. And these other cars in our way. And I hope you guys like this video.
Oh, where are we?
The beach.
Beach?
Yeah.
Cute.
Hey guys, how do you love a gripe? Bye bye. It's holiday.
It's hot today? Ooh, spray my other hand, babe.
Ooh, that's cool. Hey guys, we're about to run the water.
Michaela, give me your hand. Give me your hand. No, you're not gonna go in the water. Melanie. Oh, so I turned 27. Malachi! Ooh, this kid. Come back here. What's up, everyone? You wanna have my hat? Okay. Ooh, she's a cutie. Where are we, pretty?
I'm gonna be
At the beach?
yeah.
Say, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. What else? Subscribe? Subscribe. Where's Bro? Let's see, where's Bro and Mommy?
They brought a cat.
Yeah. How much?
I found a seashell.
Oh, you found a seashell?
Yeah, there's a water.
Okay, I want you guys to build me a big sandcastle because it's my birthday. Okay?
No.
Yes.
Okay.
You guys have to build me a big sandcastle.
But we need water.
And then I want you guys to bury Melanie.
How are you guys gonna cook weenies? Yeah. Are you choking her? What are you doing?
Y'all have a whole setup and everything. What is that?
What?
No, you're chilly. Anything to say to Cindy? You're selling ice cream?
Yeah.
I'll take a scoop of cookies and cream, please, even though I shouldn't. Do you have any sugar-free ice cream?
I don't have cookie ice cream.
Oh, you don't? So what do you have? You have chocolate?
Chocolate and vanilla and
Green? Green ice cream. I wonder what that is.
I need a cup. I lost a cup.
Can we have a scoop of vanilla, please?
Yep.
And you, Michaela?
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
And apples.
Strawberry and apple is interesting choice. What are they doing? These kids are up to no good. What are you guys up to?
We're making a volcano.
A volcano? Am I stepping on lava?
Yeah. You guys being on YouTube?
Yeah. Woo! I just really wanted to spend time with my family, and that's what I'm doing. I spend time with people who are there for me. This morning I had brunch with a friend, and now I'm here with Malachi. Say what's up.
What's up, kids? Hopefully you guys can't see this.
What you doing, Malachi?
Where's Juju? Oh, there's Juju. Say hi, Juju.
Hi. What is from this one? Guys, I'll be a shot. And I eat from the sunny lower guys. And I saw my Kayla. And that's dancing.
I told you to stop dancing, dude. You're natural.
Natural?
Yes, you're a natural girl.
I need a drink.
I need to go sleep.
I need a drink.
Get it, A, get it, A.
Strawberry or something.
Tell me why.
Stop looking.
She gets mad when you enter the frame. She gets mad. Melanie, you're in the back.
Stop looking.
When she gets mad.
Look,